What's happening? I've been outside all day. Me and Myra went to the pool, and then I've been up rib running here and there and here, and now I'm at the lake, about to get my kayak popping. I feel like I'll be pretty soon ready for the ocean, man. Or, I said the ocean, well that too, but I'll be ready for the rivers probably this weekend or so. Just been getting comfortable, but I've been enjoying this thing. It's my baby. It's been fun. Only thing I'm gonna do later with this one, at least I'm gonna get a longer paddle. But yeah, this Lifetime kayak is doing me right, getting me out on the waters, and just enjoying it, man. Outside, y'all know me all day, every day. Outside doing some activity. So, see, I got my fishing poles with me, so probably throw a few lines in there, but most of the time I just like to